This is the... This is a food court at the Hayden Holiday Inn Express. Well, of course it's continental breakfast, but that leaves you here and there. This is the elevator at the Holiday Inn Express in Nampa, Idaho. It's a ThyssenKrupp. There's the lobby. We're on level 1. Yep, got diesel juicy. Go to 4. Going up. Level 4. Here we are. Huh. Oh, gotta ring the bell. Let's ring the bell. Okay, so we made it on the ThyssenKrupp elevator. My hotel room is in Nampa, Idaho, of course, but it's also on level 3. So we're gonna end the video at level 3. How about level 2? No diesel juicy, then we'll get lost. Oh, look, there's a laundry room where people can do their laundry. Look at that. There's the washer and dryer right there. And there's an exit sign. There's the outside of the hotel. There's a lot of restaurants here. Go to Target, Sonic, Best Buy, Cracker Barrel, McDonald's probably. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're going to end the video right here. Well, I hope you enjoyed your time with me today. And don't forget to subscribe.